See, it's so addictive and it's forced and it's not good.
Poison.
Forced,
It's
doesn't it?
forced.
Oh, forced?
If your hens don't pop naturally or whatever and you force it, it's just bad. Because they actually will, pop eventually and you just need them.
Cool, like Bruce Lee.
Yeah.
Wicked. He was fine, until he died for absolutely no reason. Inexplicably. Could have anything to do with popping your knuckles.
Imagine if your knuckles made that noise.
It'd be awesome.
Wouldn't it be fun?
I just do it by shaking, just a hell of a problem there, man.
Right.
Are you videotaping me this whole time?
Yeah.
Christ. What exactly are you focusing on here?
Bottle.
Looks awfully low.
I know.
On the wrong.
It's like just an experiment, doesn't it?
Coffee. Alright.
Yeah,
That's a lot of rum.
Don't do it.
It didn't look like it though.
It's because it's a big container.
I actually probably couldn't by seconds. As opposed to like inches. Yeah, that's
That's like 2 cups.
Yeah, that's like 8 ounces.
Well, it has a spout so you can pour it back in.
Here. No, that's mine.
Yeah, you know what? I'll just make a lot. I'll just make servings for 8 like the margaritas really.